Hey everybody, how's it going? I get trolled a lot because I have over 1 million subscribers with a business that has a public phone number, public email address, and public physical store location that anybody can walk into. It's not some sort of access controlled office. So I get trolled constantly. And this troll that happened to me today is honestly one of the best, well thought out trolls I've received in a while. There was one company in the area called Brenner Construction, and there was also the guy that is listed on the Yelp page. His name is Amos. People were emailing me saying there was somebody in your stream chat yesterday named Amos. Seems like he works for this place, and he was talking. So give him a call. So I gave them a call using the business phone voice over IP app on my Android phone. So, be from the business phone number. And this is what I got.
Amos speaking.
Hi, my name is Lewis. I got referred to you regarding a store renovation in Midtown.
Oh, great. Thank you for your call. How may I be for help?
Yeah, is this Amos?
This is Amos.
I think you may have actually been in my YouTube stream last night in the chat. Do I have the wrong person?
Oh, that's you. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wait, didn't you say that you got my number from somebody else?
I guess I don't know if that was you or someone pretending to be you because it's YouTube and the chat is ridiculous.
Oh, no, it was me. No, it was me.
Yeah.
It was me.
It's hard to tell. There was 40 messages a minute. So, I mean, I guess I imagine you're fully aware of, where I am. And
I saw your video. So, I got a feed on my phone, with news and everything, I'm a contractor, so obviously that's my interest. And I saw your video, which, of course, frustrating. I'm sorry for this situation that you ended up. And I was thinking, why not ask if I can help in any way possible?
Yeah, so, I mean, go ahead.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Yeah,
did you look us up? Did you look us up?
Yeah, I saw. Either you do really good work, or you pay a lot of money for fake Yelp reviews. I'm guessing it's good work.
No, not at all. Not at all.
No, I'm kidding.
I'm sure you're familiar with Yelp. If you look all the way at the bottom of Yelp, we have another, I think, 15 or 13.
No, I saw. You guys really care about your reputation, like Google, Yelp, Facebook, Build Zoom, everywhere I look, it's good things. So, you see where I was at. All I wanted to have was a floor that was level. I think, and I hired a complete and utter jackass. And when you walk, you could see, he nailed down every board, changed materials mid-project. He changed the way he was doing the floor mid-project because the stuff in the office doesn't creak and the stuff outside creaks. Some of those boards are so bad that when you step on them, you see them pop up. So what my thought was, and again, I'm inexperienced, is I don't want to ask somebody to go in.
Oh, that's you! Wow!
What?
Amazing! Wow! Wait, didn't you say that you got my number from somebody else?
Hello?
Oh, no, it was me. No, it was me. It was me. It was me. So you I saw your video. So, I got a feed on my phone, with news and everything, I'm a contractor, so obviously that's my interest. And I saw your video, which, of course, frustrating. I'm sorry for this situation that you ended up. And I was thinking, why not ask if I can help in any way possible? I'm sorry, go ahead. Did you look us up? Did you look us up before you called me? Oh yeah, good. Okay. No, not at all. Not at all. Actually, if you, I'm sure you're familiar with Yelp. If you look all the way at the bottom of Yelp, we have another, I think, 15 or 13 reviews that Yelp. Yeah, you saw. Yes. Oh, yeah, thank you. Yes, unbelievable.
This is a recording, isn't it?
This is Amos. Oh, that's you. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wait, didn't you say that you got my number from somebody else?
This was quality trolling.
Oh, no, it was me. No, it was me. It was me. It was me. So you
This is the highest quality trolling I've received in quite a while.
I saw your video. So I got a feed on my phone, with news and everything. I'm a contractor, so obviously that's my interest. And I saw your video, which of course.
This is the best quality troll I've ever gotten. This is a recording. This is like Lenny with free PBX.
And I was
wow,
thinking,
this is awesome. I fell for this for like 2 minutes.
Possible.
Yo, this is crazy. Okay, this person has 18 5-star reviews on Yelp. I called the number on the page, 917-825-6791. He has a bunch of 5 stars from 2018, 2016, 2019.
No, not at all. Not at all.
And they all have pictures.
Actually, if you, I'm sure you're familiar with Yelp. If
you
look all the way at the bottom
Erica,
of
listen
Yelp,
to this.
we have another, I think, 15 or 13 reviews that Yelp. Yeah, you saw. Yes. Oh, yeah, thank you.
Look, it's a recording.
Yes.
I got plenty.
Unbelievable.
So I saw your reviews.
Oh, hell?
Yes?
This is Amos.
Yes, hi Amos. I got referred to you.
Oh, that's you. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wait, didn't you say that you got my number from somebody else?
Yo, this is good. This is hysterical. I don't know how the fuck this guy has good reviews.
Can you say
apple
apple
pie?
pie?
No, it was me. It was me. It was me. So you
Can you say apple pie?
I saw your video. So I got a feed on my phone, with news and everything. I'm a contractor, so obviously that's my interest. And I saw your video.
This is the quality.
Which, of course, frustrating. I'm sorry for
this is a seriously high quality
situation that you ended up.
Good work.
And I was thinking, why not ask if I can help in any way possible? Did you?
Can you tell him to say apple pie?
I'm sorry.
Can you say apple pie?
Did you look us up? Did you look us up before you called me? Oh yeah, good. Okay.
That's hysterical. Oh man.
No, not at all. Not at all. Actually, if you, I'm sure you're familiar with Yelp. If you look all the way at the bottom of Yelp, we have another, I think, 15 or 13 reviews that Yelp.
So there's something called Lenny for free PBX. And what Lenny is, I had this installed on my PBX a while back. Lenny is this thing that's designed to torture telemarketers. So every time you're done talking, he will start talking and he'll say something that seems like it's related to what you're saying. It doesn't address anything specifically, but if you're a telemarketer and you're not that bright, you could go on a loop with Lenny for a good 20 or 30 minutes before you realize you're talking to a robot. And it's only because I've sent so many telemarketers to Lenny and I know how funny Lenny is. At the moment I heard that thing, I stayed silent because I knew you're not repeating yourself. That's an effing robot. And I'm not sure how this was programmed. Maybe it was done by my caller ID. Maybe he had that set up all day. Maybe he did it on the fly. I don't think he did it on the fly. I'm not even sure how to do this where you send based on the incoming caller ID, because I did call from the business phone, which number is public. I get routed to something different. I tried calling right afterwards from a different phone number, and it didn't do that. It got me nowhere, which makes me think that this may have actually been programmed and tied to my caller ID for the sole purposes of trolling and screwing with me after I announced I was already screwed by the prior contractor. Even if it is kind of in bad taste, because you're doing that in the video where I'm announcing that I got screwed, it's kind of funny. I gotta admit, it is kind of funny. You got me. Good job.